this event formerly known as Fashion Night Out. You know, it's all about moving those must-have items from the store to your home without emptying your wallet. Tell me, why did you decide that, listen, Take Style Out is a must. I must ensure that my business, my store is a part of this?
Well, it's something that I look forward to yearly, and it's something that my customers look forward to. So it's a form of giving back to my customers.
What did cause you to say, all right, we just start the pharmacy, we go take on TSO?
But remember that TSO has been around before the pharmacy.
Yes, so
it's a big thing.
Oh.
And as a pharmacy owner, Mrs. Ellis thought of it as also a marketing strategy, you know.
Okay.
Because you want to be associated with something as big as TSO.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Makes sense. And that's why I'm there around so long.
You're right.
It's 15 years since the Jamaica Observer brought retail therapy to Jamaica. We started, as many would know, as Fashion's Night Out under the umbrella of Vogue, and then we continued the journey and it became Jamaica Observer Take Style Out. The mandate then, as it is now, was always to support our retail industry.
After the stores register, you know, one of the things that we offer is that we put their deals and discounts, address, location, everything in the newspaper.
Yeah.
We also put it on our social media, and we also put it on our website, you know, so that's big.
So the stores who are registering today and going forward, they have a whole heap of benefit of getting right up.
Yeah, man.
And the social space.
And you know, that's super beneficial to those stores that really want that additional push, you know.
Take Style Out does not happen every year without our conceptualizer, Nova McDonald White, and our team members. Now, guys, understand, I have some hardworking team members who worked on Take Style Out over the years. They have been phenomenal. We've gone across the island year after year. I mean, guys, it's 15 years of retail therapy, and they have never not enjoyed being out on the road, meeting the retailers, spending time with the retailers and the shoppers. This year's Take Style Out is sponsored by NCB, Multilink, Island Car Rental, and Edge, of course. Our sponsors have been with us for as long as we've been doing Take Style Out, and we're thankful and grateful for them, because without their support, we would not be here celebrating 15 years of retail therapy. Retailers fix up the stores, put out the big discounts. We're ready October 24th to 26th. We look forward to seeing everybody there.